Alright, yung gabi sa tanan, yung gabi, luwat. Balik kita sa TFN and tonight, it's about Joyce Travel B. Joyce Travel B's. Joyce Travel B's human to human relationship model of nursing. Human to human relationship is the means through which the purpose of nursing is fulfilled. Sir, human to human, hindi pwede animal. Charot. Alright, human to human. Alright, ano si Travel B? Psychiatric nurse. Alright, Agina, psychiatric nurse. Sino to ganagina? Ang psychiatric nurse, si Peplao. Tama? Si Peplao. Subong, si Ida Jean. Si Joyce Travel B, psychiatric nurse man. So, tandaan, Joyce, Travel B, although pero human to human relationship. Alright? Next, working experience, psych nursing instructor. Psych nursing instructor. Alright? Publications, may duwa siya ka libro. Una yung libro, Interpersonal Aspects of Nursing. Kadua is Psychiatric Nursing Process in the One-to-One Relationship. Alright. Theory concepts, Travel B believe that the spiritual values a person holds will determine to a great extent his perception of illness. Alright. Her model emphasizes empathy, sympathy, rapport, and emotional aspects. More of empathy, guys. Empathy, sympathy, rapport, no trust, nurse-patient relationship, blah, blah, blah. All right. So, theoretical sources, si Ida Jean, si Viktor Frankl, Survivor Auschwitz, and other Nazi concentration camps. Ay, Nazi. Charing. All right. Major concepts and definitions. Rapport. Rapport. All right. Rapport. Sorry. Rapport, alright, is experienced when the nurse and patient has progressed through the four interlocking phases preceding rapport. Ano ni ang four interlocking phases? Una, original encounter. Ano ni? This is first impressions. Ano ni ang first meeting between sang nurse and the patient. Alright? Do you know, uh, they don't know each other yet, so diri ang first impression na gasulod. Alright? Number two is emerging identities. Emerging identities. Perceiving each other's uniqueness. Ano ni siya? Ang nurse kag ang patient, no? They begin to see each other as real people, no? Hindi lang basta nga nurse, hindi lang basta nga patient. Alright? Next is empathy. Ability to share in the person's experience emphasized is to gain an intellectual understanding of the mental world and psychological state of another. Alright? Empathy, ano ni, the nurse tries to understand what the patient feels. Alright? It's somehow putting herself in the patient's shoes. Alright? Next, sympathy. When the nurse wants to lessen the cause of the patient's suffering, when one sympathizes. One is involved but not incapacitated by the involvement. So, ano ni siya, yeah, the nurse not only understand but also wants to help ease the patient's pain. Right, tandaan. Rapport is, it's like a strong connection and trust. Basta, salig. Trust, rapport. So, guys, tandaan ang therapeutic use of self. Basi gagwa, kay gagwa, giniya. Alright? Ability to use one's personality consciously and in full awareness in an attempt to establish relatedness and to structure nursing intervention. Communication, basahan nyo na lang ni communication, nurse-patient interaction, logical form. Yay, clarity, simplicity, general. Alright, Ernestine Weidenbach. Ernestine Weidenbach. Guys, balik lang kita kay i-shortcut na lang si Travel B ano ni for example si Travel B paano ni iyang sir human to human so for example si patient no before sa surgery ano brown ni nurse hindi lang basta-basta si nurse ma-check sa vital signs alright no brown niya at storyawan niya man ang patient of course and mamati siya sa fears alright ni patient and of course to reassure them showing that she truly cares, alright, as another human being. Hindi lang man nga makuha kita vital signs, hatag bulong, alright, matag instructions before sa surgery, pero guys, mamatigin kita sa patient. Alright, next, Ernestine Weidenbach. Weiden, ano ni? Weidenbach? Alright, Weidenbach, alright. Ernestine Weidenbach, oh, Nursing is the art of nurturing or caring for someone in a motherly fashion. Wow, motherly fashion. Do nanay, gid man tsura, guys. Alright? Very good mother. So, ano ni siya? Helping art of clinical nursing theory. The art, wow, art. Helping art. Alright? Art. Alright. Ernest and Weidenbach believe that nursing is more than just giving medicine or doing procedures. Okay, pati siya nga ang nursing is an art of helping people. Tandaan, is an art of helping people. So, art siya, guys, pero sa pagbulig lang sa mga katauhan, ang nursing. Alright? So, may four elements siya. That's your philosophy, purpose, practice, and art. So, philosophy, ano ning philosophy? Alright? Is what motivates the nurse to act in a certain way. Kaya sa filosofiya, yeah. Alright? Sa filosofiya sang nurse, amo nang nag-motivate sa iya nga mag-act in a certain way. Alright? May filosofiya. Doon muna. Includes major concepts of our philosophy, patient, of course, ang need for help. Ang nurse, ang purpose, yeah, philosophy, practice, knowledge, judgment, skills, administration, validation, blah, blah, blah. Alright? The nurse philosophy is their attitude and belief. Tama? Tama, ang filosofiya sang nurse is her attitude and of course, ang iya pagpati, belief about sa ano, about sa life and how that affected reality for them. So may tatlo siya ka-essential components. Ano ini? Associated with nursing philosophy, its reverence for life, respect for the dignity, worth, autonomy, and individuality of each human being. Next, last is resolution to act on personally and professionally held beliefs. Right? Next, purpose niya is that which the nurse wants to accomplish through what she does. It is all of the activities directed toward the overall good of the patient. Ano gid bala ang purpose niya? Alright, ano gid bala ang purpose? Ano dapat ang nurse? The nurse must have a clear goal. Amo ning rason ko nga naga-nurse, kung naga-nurse, kung nagabulig ang nurse. Alright, ano gid bala ang purpose niya? To help the patient in whatever way they need. Alright? Whether physical, emotional, or spiritual. Alright? Next, the practice are those observable nursing actions that are affected by beliefs and feelings about meeting the patient's need for help. The action part, amo niyang practice. Alright? Dili ka na action, dili ka na hulag. What the nurse actually does to help. Amo ni siya. And lastly, it's art. This includes understanding patients' needs and concerns, developing goals and actions intended to enhance patients' ability. Directing activities related to medical plan to improve patients' condition. Ari na, pamaagi ways to identify patients' need for help. Kung nagakinahanglan sila sang bulig, amo ni ang ma-identify. Of course, observing behavior consistent or inconsistent with their comfort. Alright? Gina-observe naton yung behavior sang patient kung ano gid man bala, kung consistent or inconsistent sila sa ila nga comfort. Alright? Kung comfortable siya or hindi. Next, exploring the meaning of their behavior. Ilang taon kag i-explore naton, alright? Do detective na naman, Ida Jean, detective kung amo na ilang nga behavior, amo nila pamatasan, amo nila belief. Tama? Determining the cause of their discomfort or incapacity. Determining whether they can resolve their problems or have a need for help. So, i-check naton kung kinahanglan nila bulig or hindi lang man. Alright, pero guys, of course, hindi na sila magpalapit sa inyo kung hindi nila kinahanglan bulig. Tama? Ah, patient, need for help, clinical judgment, sound decisions, nursing skills, and skills.